Setting number 1, if you go into the admin menu, this is where you find all your settings. I just realized I'm in the wrong account. This is my sandbox account, so I can mess around with the settings here as much as I want without breaking my analytics. So when we go in here, I love the layout now. They've made it a lot more visually appealing than when Google Analytics first came out. And in the middle here, the first and the most important one, and this is the one I'm going to advise all of you to change now. If you go into data retention and you look here, now, by default, this doesn't say 14 months, it says 2 months. And that's a problem. It's not a problem when you're looking at your standard reports. This has no impact on that. Your standard reports are fine. But when you want to go and do a little bit of a delve, when you want to go and see a little bit more information, you're going to want to create Explore reports. Even if you haven't already, you're going to want to change this here, because when you go to change Explore reports, that's where this comes in. It'll only give you 2 months of data to work with because that's what it's set at. That's all the data you have. So change this, change this to 14 months. That is the maximum you can have. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't backdate. Right now, if you had it set to 2 months, you only have 2 months of data. So change it now and it will start collecting that data for the next 14 months. And that means that you can do things like year-on-year comparisons within those Explore reports. And Explore reports really is where the magic happens in Google Analytics. So like I say, if you haven't used Explore yet, that doesn't mean you shouldn't change this. This is an important setting. This is one you should do right away.